Hi, I'm Alex of Peterson Family Law, and today I'm here to answer the question, what is the difference between a simplified dissolution of marriage, an uncontested dissolution of marriage, and a contested dissolution of marriage? In Collier County and in Lee County, you can have what's called a simplified dissolution of marriage where there are no property and no kids, and the two of you agree on everything. You just want to go your separate ways, all your property's titled in your own names, everything is done, you just need the formality of the judge saying you're divorced. Usually you can just go to the courthouse and have that done with a 5-minute hearing. And some people choose to have an attorney represent them, but most probably do not because it's very straightforward. In an uncontested dissolution of marriage, everything is agreed upon, similar to the simplified, but there's property and kids, and/or kids. So if the kids are involved, you need a parenting plan, a UCCJEA, some other things that the court requires to make sure that things are being done appropriately. They can't just blindly agree to a parenting plan that puts a kid in harm's way. That's usually a flat fee with an attorney representing someone to make sure the documents are prepared correctly, if a deed needs to be prepared, if something needs to be exchanged between the parties, title needs to be changed. It could be a little more complicated, and it is a little more complicated than a simplified dissolution, but you agree on everything. So it's just the formality of getting all the paperwork together and getting it finalized. A contested dissolution of marriage is the more traditional, or what you think of and what you see on television, where the parties can't agree. There are disagreements as to how the property is to be split, if there's alimony, child support, how the kids are going to spend the holidays, with whom they're going to stay, what school they're going to attend. All of those issues need to be resolved, and they are resolved either through litigation, through mediation, or through a final hearing eventually. And that's usually when both parties are represented by counsel and they exchange discovery, the more traditional route of a contested dissolution of marriage. One good thing about having an attorney that's on your side is you can whittle away some of the issues and hone in on what you really don't agree on. You and your spouse may agree on 80% of the things in your divorce, and you can knock those out of the way quickly to save you time and money and really figure out the smaller in number but very important things that you can agree on. So if you have any questions, we want you to reach out to us by petersonfamilylaw.com, or you can give us a call at 239-206-3664. Thanks very much.